How to lock apps on iPhone. Apple does have a built-in feature to lock apps with Face ID for all apps or Touch ID or iPhone passcode. In order to do that, simply open the iPhone home screen and long press on the app you want to, and you will get to see a drop-down menu appear. For here, simply choose the Messenger. Long press on the Messenger app, and there you can see require Face ID option available. Simply tap on it. A confirmation will appear again on your screen. Tap on the required Face ID and your Messenger is authenticated with the Face ID. Now whenever you open the app, it will require Face ID authentication. You can do same with the other apps as well. But if you are using the Touch ID or iPhone passcode, then you will be navigated with Touch ID authentication as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.